Hey, so how did you feel about that last physio test? Because I'm honestly not too sure.
Dude, I think I totally bombed that. I mean, how, like, muscle and heart works, I had no idea, not gonna lie.
I recognize the multiple choice, but, like, the written part, like, I just need to...
Dude, there was multiple choice? I'm done for. I didn't even see that. Ah! A Sasquatch! I'm not sure what to do. Sympathetic, parasympathetic, help me!
I'm honestly not sure. This is kind of outside my wheelhouse. I'm more for relaxing.
We need to panic.
Sympathetic, parasympathetic, what do I do?
Dude, I have literally no idea. I'm just good. I relax, I guess?
Wait, where's the other guy?
Oh, he's recording.
The sympathetic nervous system controls the body's fight or flight response. The sympathetic nervous system responds to external stimuli that pose a threat and triggers a stress response in the body. Upregulation of activity in the sympathetic nervous system results in contraction of the radial muscle of the iris, allowing the pupils to dilate, allowing more light to enter the eye. The sympathetic nervous system also causes an increase in heart rate, increasing the force of contraction and rate of conduction, contributing to increased cardiac output to supply the body with more oxygenated blood.
Within the lungs, bronchodilation and decreased pulmonary secretions occur to allow more airflow through the lungs, further increasing oxygen supply. In the stomach and intestines, digestion slows in order to divert energy to other parts of the body. Exocrine and endocrine pancreas decrease in both enzyme and insulin secretion. This in turn increases glycogen and consequently blood glucose. The urinary bladder relaxes to help stop urine output.
The kidney increases renin secretion to increase intravascular volume. Lastly, the salivary glands work through these small volumes of potassium and water secretion. Thus, there is decreased salivation. All these changes within the body allow our runner here to escape from the Sasquatch.
I think I lost him.
The parasympathetic nervous system controls the rest and digest period of the body. In other words, it is what is in charge as the Sasquatch here is chilling, enjoying his hard-earned meal. The overall effect of the parasympathetic system is to conserve and store energy to regulate basic body functions, such as digestion and urination. In general, the effects of the parasympathetic system tend to be more discrete and localized, with only specific tissues being stimulated at any given moment, compared to the sympathetic system, where a more diffuse discharge is possible.
Under parasympathetic conditions, the sphincter muscle of the eye contracts along with the ciliary muscle, which improves near vision. Additionally, stimulation from the parasympathetic system decreases heart rate and the rate of conduction. In the lungs, bronchoconstriction occurs and there is an increase in pulmonary secretions. In the salivary glands, there is an increased volume of potassium and water secretion, therefore increased salivation.
The stomach muscles experienced increased mobility and secretion, along with increased intestinal motility and secretion. Contraction of the gallbladder occurs, and there is an increased enzyme and insulin secretion in the pancreas. Lastly, in the urinary bladder, there is a contraction of the detrusor muscle and relaxation of the urethra sphincter. All of these functions are letting our hairy buddy here relax.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is a demonstration of the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and why it is so important that you have a sympathetic nervous system. And if you're like poor Marc and lack a sympathetic nervous system, carry bear spray with you, or find a better friend than Ava, who won't leave you behind.